All right, so here's this weird fan. Well, it's not a weird fan in that sense, but it has a weird brand name. And it's very much just a rebranded version of the Polar, which I just showed you. And I actually have the Polar version of this too. It's that weird name. There it is. Gaziled or whatever it's called. Gazeled. Gaziled or Gaziled or whatever that off the wall Chinese name is. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and run it. It's pretty powerful, so let's go ahead and let's run it up to full power. Which is only 2,300 RPMs, unfortunately. Which is still pretty good. It moves the air pretty good. It's one of the earlier versions of this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, like. More fan videos like this to come all this week. God bless you and gone. Have a blessed evening.